this way.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, I see him. Oh, what are you doing?
We got live action, everyone.
Open it. She's right there. You can't see him. Oh!
It's too small.
I saw it.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna launch it out there.
I love it. No, we painted first.
It has the chicken on
I know, but
It has bait.
it's him.
it. What is this, bro?
That's shrimp.
Oh, it still has it.
Put it back. Put it back. I'm looking at the fishy. He's swimming around.
But we're gonna jump, then he's gonna hit. I see him. Don't.
Don't open it, bro. He's gonna jump, bro. Bro, I'm gonna kick that fish out of here. That's him. He's right here. Look, he's right here. No, he left. He's right there.
Now stop messing with that light.
That's him. He's going over here. Oh, he's right there. He's right there behind you, Bubba's. He's right there.
He's right here.
No. He escaped. You escaped? Oh, I found him. I see him. Right here. Oh,
That's a chicken
Oh.
foot.
he's right here.
Yeah.
Why can we not over here? She's over here. Why can we not see his
I
face?
got it at the
I
grocery
saw
store.
him. I wanna see the
Let me see.
face.
Let me see.
Oh, he turned this way. I found him. He's this way.
Beautiful.
No, he's right here.
Catch
him. Go. He's scared.
Where did he go, Damien?
He went over here. Oh, snap. Don't slap him. Where did this man go? Hello. Oh, he's right over here.
I need to call him out. He hasn't called me or nothing.
Oh, tell him stop calling.
Damien,
He called me or what?
Yeah, he's the one that messed up the chat.
Let me call him. Let me check with him.
No, don't.
You're just getting popping. You're just popping.
Stop.
Back at Fools, double tap the screen.
Amigo Poo.
Alright.
Amigo Pee.
¿Quién le está hablando a Miguelón?
Amigo Pee.
Oh, es que creo que mi papá le estaba marcando, pero
Oh, he just came this way. I got a big rock.
Oh, okay. Está
You're
bien.
gonna kill the fish that way. You know that? Don't do that.
Oh, I saw his face.
You know he'll eat your
Say
arm.
about
You know
work
he'll
tomorrow.
eat your finger. He go like this, look.
Bro.
He go like this.
No, he was just calling about work.
Hey, got him. Right there. Got his
I'm not taking
face.
him tomorrow.
No?
No. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go scout it tomorrow. Friday. We'll go.
You ready for Saturday?
Oh,
Bubbles.
Look at his face.
Where?
Wait, don't really hit.
Hey, watch out, boys.
the fish is like getting up here. Like he's getting up. He's going up.
Back at it, folks. Double tap the screen. Yes, sir. Man.
Oh, he does that.
Green one. Come on, Bubba.
Where's the bobber at? For Damien's.
Not big.
Huh?
It's not big. It's not big.
Bro, where did
Oh, it's gone.
Well, that bobber's gone.
Come on, Bubba. Are you gonna reel it or you gonna?
Give me the light.
Walking back to pool.
Put that light down, please.
Hey, Damien, put that light down. I'm going to sit right here.
Bubbles. Real.
Pick it up.
Oh, yeah, he's on.
Pick it up.
He's on.
He's on.
Nice.
Come in, bro. Pick it up. Pick up the rod. Pick up the rod, bro. Pick up the rod. All right, reel it in.
He's been messing with you, bro.
He's fighting. Bro,
I
this is
told him.
wrong.
Are you hitting that?
What? No, I'm not hitting nothing.
Good. Yeah, let's go.
I saw him.
He's fighting hard. Ooh, look at that tummy. He's eating good.
Oh yeah. Hungry one.
I need to pee.
He's eating
Check it out.
good.